News, my lovely, wonderful people. It's happening. Rivers 27 lawmakers at the court, they dispose an affidavit reflecting that they have moved from PDP to APC. This alone is a welcome development because they cannot hide it anymore. The lawyer reveal all. So this is what is happening now. Wike guys who listens to him and jump the ship or jump the gun may be having real serious issues because right now as it stands, there is a lot going on. The affidavit they swear that they have moved from one party to the other is obviously obvious, revealed for all to see. So they cannot hide it anymore. So when they did it the other time, they really thought they could get away with it. But now Fubara is putting down his foot and making sure that, they can no longer hide. So it's making sure that everything that they have done or whatever they have or they had, trying to say that they have not moved from one party to the other, it will be evident for all to see. The whole world will see they cannot hide anymore. The law is there for everyone to give an interpretation to what they really mean by what they did. So it's really very really a very glaring matter. Okay, it's a very glaring one. So it is what it is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. It's happening, my lovely, wonderful people. Clifford Chukundi, legal counsel for pro-Wike faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly, has underscored the importance of their legal battle against the pro-Wike faction of lawmakers. Clifford Okafor revealed that his team is armed with complete video evidence, documents of deflection of the 27 lawmakers. Key elements in their case, he noted that the court has granted permission for this footage to be presented at the end of the argument, which cannot be hidden. We are armed with all the necessary documents, and the court has given us opportunity to present it. They have permitted us to bring the footage to be presented as part of our arguments. Speaking with determination, Clifford Okafor expressed confidence in the strength of their case and stated that the video evidence will be pivotal during the ruling. It will be a very important aspect. He explained that the footage will provide an defiled account of event, allowing both the court and the general public to see exactly what transpired. This isn't some heresy or speculation or somebody hearsay. He said we have document proof that these lawmakers moved from the party that brought them into a seat of power, and we are ready to present it. They cannot bamboozle Fubara. We are ready. That's why the governor is not shaking. If he was in the wrong, he will apologize. It's as simple as that. Clifford emphasized that the primary goal of their legal action is rooted in fairness, constitutional adhesion. He argued that the 27 lawmakers haven't switched allegiance from one political party to another, are obligated by law to vacate their seats. This, he explained, will be proven by the way for the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to organize a by-election in the affected constituencies. Our objective is simple and clear. Clifford stated firmly, we are asking for rules of democracy to be upheld. When lawmakers abandon the political platform that elected them, they lost their mandates to represent these constitutions. The only fair solution is to conduct fresh election, allowing people to choose new representative. He further stressed that the process will be open to all political parties, including Labour Party, ensuring that the electorate voice is heard efficiently. He said in an interview, our prayer is very simple, and it is something known by all over the world. Our position is that these persons voluntarily came out and told the world that they have moved. Yes, they moved from PDP to APC. And as a matter of fact, we saw it on Channels TV and we saw it on T2VC. And we have now come here to tell you that the court haven't done that, haven't done that according to the law, they should vacate their seats so that INEC can conduct a fresh by-election where everybody, including Labour Party, will contest. Furthermore, at the Federal High Court in Abuja, they disposed to an affidavit reflecting the fact that they have deflected. And the People Democratic Party also responded to that affidavit, admitting that they have deflected. Interestingly, we have both video clips to play in court. The court already have granted us leave to play that video of the 27 lawmakers leaving PDP for APC. So on the day of the ruling, we will play these clips and the whole world will also see it. Unless they want to say something that do not exist, we want to see how they will twist the hand of the law in this case. They were deceived and they allowed themselves to be deceived. The evidence is there for all to see. So, God will help us because this matter so is as simple and as clear as ABC. But in this country, they don't interpret for us, say, including FCT. They don't mean and say FCT in a state. They don't talk different matter. So what we go just they do, they pray, they say, may God let whoever the judge be, make it fear God, make it talk the truth. Make it not let human being bamboozle and left, right, and center. All these boy they see so, most of them, oh dear, they not get time, say they can't get heart saying for people. Is money for grand, back for grand. So now those kind of thing, how this what they do. So the matter so plenty full everywhere. It plenty not be small thing. We want to see how all of this will benefit the people. Because at the end of the day, those who are allowing themselves to be manipulated so much so that they are the ones destroying River State. They have gone now to say River State cannot have, River State cannot have a River State cannot have salaries being paid because they want to stop the allocation. These are wicked set of people that must be dealt with. So every one of them must face the full route of the law. Enough is a word that you put on ground when the person say no understand what enough means. So it's very important, it's very necessary that we understand all of this. Anyway, my lovely, wonderful people, it is what it is. And that's why we are standing together to say an end must come to oppression. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic day from us. It's bye for now.